Welcome back to the show. My name is Kruddy and you can follow me on Instagram at the Kruddy. That's TheKruddy. Now, recently we took a trip down to Trelawney to check out Royalton White Sands. Now, if you haven't been to that family resort, you are missing out on something big. It's wonderful. It's all inclusive, and when I say all inclusive, that's an understatement. It's mega all-inclusive. Right now, Royalton White Sands, Trelawney. Pree Dis.
Located in Trelawney, the Royalton White Sands has over 300 rooms. This 5-star resort, which targets families and couples, opened its doors in November of 2013. Let's now hear more about this fabulous resort.
We've been open just over 7 months. We opened November 15th, 2013. We're a 5-star resort, so we've been giving, top-notch service to all our guests, ensuring that they get the absolute best service in all areas. A lot of entertainment that includes Jamaican experiences, the Afro-Caribbean show, and they're going to leave knowing that in Jamaica they received not just the Jamaican experience, but the absolute best service, the friendliest staff. It's one of the comments we actually have most on TripAdvisor, is that our staff is so pleasant and friendly, and that's usually the memory most guests leave with. At the resort, we have quite a variety of entertainment. We have daytime entertainment, which we actually separate. We have family entertainment, and we also have adults only entertainment. We have nighttime entertainment. Every night we have a different movie showing for the kids, so the parents can have some time separate with the kids and separate from the kids and enjoy a little adult time. We also have our sports bar and grill, which is open until 2 a.m., which after 10 p.m. turns into sort of a disco. We do karaoke and things like that in there. On the activities topic, we also have an amazing water park that has bigger slides for the adults, and we also have a little kiddies activity center, which has the splash pool, the buckets that turn over. The kids absolutely love it. We also have our kids club, which we have the virtual football that the kids can play there. They have the gaming lounge with the games and activities and movies. There's always something to do. It's absolutely a blast staying here at Royalton. Our target market is basically families and families that enjoy 5-star service. So when people are booking their vacation and they're thinking they want to be 5-star and they want to have great service and then they want to bring their kids along, here is the perfect resort for them. The food, I mean, our variety here is ridiculous. The buffet has different themed nights, so you'll never go to the buffet in 1 week and get the same thing each night. So you go from Arabic to Mexican to Japanese to Jamaican nights. We have 4 a la carte restaurants. We have the Italian restaurant. We have the Zen, which is done teppanyaki style. So you sit at the teppanyaki table, you have the chef chopping up all the food. It's amazing, and it's a great fun experience for the family. We also have the Hunter's Steakhouse, which of course for all you meat lovers, it's the perfect place. And we also have the sports bar and grill, which you can get your snacks, your burgers, your fries, wings, etc. We also pride ourselves in offering 24/7 room service, which is also amazing, 5-star menu options, and that's included in your all-inclusive package. So food here is off the charts and we get bragged. The most bragged about spot is actually our jerk center, which is open on the beach at lunchtime. People cannot stop talking about the jerk chicken. So, you come to Jamaica, you eat some jerk chicken. We actually have a very extensive spa which comes with the water treatments, the sauna. So you have the cold water, the hot water, and the pressure water treatments, which is included in almost all your spa packages that you book. We have the Royalton special massage, which is actually a 4-hand massage. You have to try it while you're here. You get 2 ladies working on you at once and in unison, and it is off the charts. You get lots of different types of massages, so the gentle touching, the deep tissue. We offer wedding services, so you can do your weddings at 3 of our amazing locations. There are 2 gazebos, one on the beach, one by the waterfall, and we also have an island spot that you can have your wedding at. So you have all these beautiful locations to have your wedding and your reception here. It's just a lot of additional services that we have apart from just the entertainment and just the rooms. Well, we're a 352-room resort, and we pride ourselves in noting that we have 56 of those rooms that are suites. We have our standard luxury room and our beautiful luxury ocean view rooms, which fit families of 4 to 5, depending on the amount of kids that you have. They're redone, redesigned, very chic. The decorations in the rooms are amazing, mostly white with bright colors. We also have our suites, which can range from the family suite, which will have the bunk beds for the kids separate from the king bedroom area, and all our suites have jacuzzi tubs in there. So you want to have your little romantic bath time with your spouse, or the kids want to have a bubble bath, you have that jacuzzi tub for that. We have our presidential suite, which is an amazing 1-bedroom suite with a living room separate area. It comes with half a bathroom as well as the full bathroom that has the jacuzzi tub, the shower, etc. And we also have, of course, our top suite, which is the chairman's suite, which actually encompasses 2 floors. So in your suite, you have upstairs and downstairs. You have a swim out at the bottom, so meaning you step out of your balcony and you have your own pool right there, and you have a jacuzzi tub on your balcony.
I'm sure you enjoyed that one a while ago. Royalton White Sands in Trelawney. Anytime you guys can check it out, bring the whole family. It's Kruddy approved. It's also Pree Dis approved. Now, big up to my friends over there in Superior. You don't know, we always have something from you guys. And it's now time for the car care tip of the week. Brought to you by my same friends, Superior Parts.
This car care tip is brought to you by Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable. This week we give you a tip about caring for your tires. Tire balancing compensates for the weight of the tire and wheel assembly after the tire has been mounted. An unbalanced wheel can cause bouncing or wobbling and also cause stress on your vehicle. The correct weight is required to counterbalance the tires. This car care tip is brought to you by Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable. Check out Superior's Football Fever promotion now on in earnest. Listen up.
Superior Parts Limited presents Football Fever. Open to all customers who spend $5,000 or more at any of our 6 branches island-wide. Win scores of fantastic prizes: tires, HID kits, batteries, car mats, accessories, service kits, gift vouchers. It's Football Fever with 6 brand new bikes to be won. Calling all bikers, buy a bike and get a friend to buy a bike and you win great prizes. Rush to Superior Parts Limited. Purchase a bike, tires, new or used parts, accessories, or service items. Predict the 4 World Cup finalists for more winnings in the Superior Parts Football Fever. Incredible!
We are going for a final commercial break. Remember, when we get back, we have the top 10 chart. You're watching Pree Dis, we have a lot more in us, so don't move a muscle. We're soon forward.